Hello everybody, Caleb here with Remax. Luxury Executive Lifestyle, recipient of the 2013 Condominium of the Year, one of the best managed and well-appointed buildings in the city. We're in conveniently tucked away in one of Calgary's best southwest neighborhoods, and we're headed to the penthouse suite, so I'll see you on over there. Welcome to the Tudors and Unit 339. This is a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom unit, over 1,800 square feet of luxury living space. The kitchen is fully upgraded with granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, the corner pantry. You notice there's a lot of storage in this unit, certainly no lack of that. Fully open concept and a lot of square footage. You can have the big family dinners in here. You can entertain easily. Gas fireplace, wide open. Outside is very private and exclusive. There's a gas line for the barbecue. It's very treed. This is west facing, so you get a lot of good afternoon and evening sun. You see we have a table for 6 here. You could fit even more than that. You can also eat at the island, or peninsula. Large master bedroom with high ceilings. There's a walk-in closet with California closet organizers, ensuite bathroom, totally renovated, double vanities, the separate shower and soaker tub. This carpet is brand new. This Brazilian hardwood floors is also in immaculate condition. The second bedroom here is quite large as well, you see, and again, very private. Now what's very unique about this home is it has an upstairs loft, which has so many different purposes, and there's a lot of square footage up here. Again, we have new carpet. It's open concept, as you can see. We've repurposed this as a bit of a bar and games area. You can have a movie theater up here. You can have an office up here, or a gym, a yoga studio, or whatever you guys want to do. There's a ton of options. Right off the front door, you have a half bathroom for your second bedroom. There's a full shower as well as in-suite laundry. So this condo unit comes with 2 tidal parking stalls. Underground, there's a car wash down there, and a state-of-the-art wellness center and social room. So if you guys have any questions or would like to book a viewing, you know where to find me. Thanks for watching.